All right, we're here at Grand Sierra Resort in Reno. I am going to film a strategy I like to call the Iron Laden. Why is it Iron Laden? Well, if you look over here, it's the Iron Cross, but with a lay bet on the 8, which might make it kind of stupid. But if that hits, the 7 comes, I mean, it covers most of what I have out on the field, and 5 and the 6. So I'm kind of on the dark side and the light side at the same time. Again, this takes $3 to get going, so we're just gonna leave it like this and hopefully make a little bit of money. Let's try it out. 10 with the field bet. Just gonna keep it there. We made $4. 11. So far,
it's time to place your bet.
It's doing something. 8. Oh shit, that's what we did not want. So it took $14 away. Started with 184. Try it one more time. Try it one more time, see what out of it. 4. Okay, $2. That's a super low roll. Oh, we got the 8 again. So you could switch this and then do it like that. See if it changes the outcome. 7. Let's try it again. Let's keep going. 8. Okay. Gotta replace that too. 5. We lost $2 though. Oh, I forgot to rebet for 5. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch, I just lost $2 for no reason. Ah, rookie mistake. 4. Damn it. Alright, well, screwed up. 8. Yeah, that's the point.
It's time to place your bet.
Are you missing any bets?
No.
Go, high, low.
I should have hit them. Aces, yeah, look. Making $2 at a time. There's your 8 again, but we were off, so that's the point. Oh, we lost the 2 though.
Oh, it was almost midnight.
9. Field. $2. Got the 2 that I just lost there. Oh. This was prevalence. Oh yeah, that pays double, so that's good for us. 5. So we lost 2, but we made 2.
Place your bets.
9. 2. So that 8, I should have switched earlier, a lot earlier.
Place your bets.
Look at that. Loves the 8. I really should be pressing the hell out of this, but again, I'm stupid, so. There's the 7. We were off, so
You're back up to
we made $7. Oh yeah, we made some money. Oh wait, I forgot the lake.
Keep some dice all day long.
We're still off on the numbers. We just got the fields. I wonder if I should leave the field off. Nah. All right. There's 7. Yeah, I should have left the field off. But we still made money.
Yeah.
It's time to place your bets.
Okay, here we go. There's the 8. Man. She just put 100 on the 8 real quick.
It's time to place your bets.
6. Oh, I finally hit the damn 6. Ah, and now we're back down. We lost the 12. We were getting back there, right? We were at 90 something.
Yeah.
Should I try it one more time?
10 for 1.
3. Yeah. See if we can get back. 7. We lost 8, but we made 9. Right?
3,
3, 6, 8. Oh, yeah, we lost 8, but we made $1.
Hell yeah.
You know how we do around here.
Place your bet.
7. We made $1. We made $1.
Oh, nice. Please place your bet.
80 plus 20 is out there. We made our 100. We made $1.
Well, you made $1.
Yeah,
Yeah, you made $1.
we made $1.
All right. Well,
What do I do?
I don't know.
Stop at 20? Okay. See if we can make more than $1. Alright?
yeah.
Let's see if we can make it 20 bucks. 8.
Please place your bet.
Where are we at? 84 plus 20? $4. Oh, and it just took it all from
Down
us.
behind, no field. It's time to place your bet.
Come on, Iron Lady.
Great job. It's time to place your bet.
That's a lot. Made $2.
It's time to place your bet.
I mean, you're not making millions.
No.
7.
Still made $1.
Oh, nice. Place
Yes,
your bet.
a 70 plus 20, that's 96 bucks. 10.
Place your bet.
$98. Oh, that's what got us. We were so close to our 100 back.
Place your bet.
We were so close.
Aren't 6 and 8 the most common rolls?
They are.
So then why are we...
it's stupid to lay these, but they pay the most when you hit the 7. So it covers what you have out there. So it's a gamble.
Then you just have the bet that you lay elsewhere.
Yeah.
Number 5. Please place your bet.
Anyway, you guys get the gist of it.
Get the gist. Look at it. Let's see. One more time. We can get to 100. Get our money back. Then at least we got points, right?
All right, let's go.
Oh.
6.
All right.
See,
We're gonna stop it there.
That's as a
Sons of
viewer,
bitches.
that's where I see the flaw. You're laying the most common.
But
rolled numbers.
that's the way you get around.
No, you just up the amount. on the
Women
other
don't
ones.
know about these things, so of course you can. Even though I lost, I won because it was fun.
You are about to be in a world of pain.
Iron laden, people. Try it.